Pnawn da a croeso. And yes, today we are actually doing our live stream. Daily Welsh lessons, 10 am 3, 10 minutes at 3 o'clock. Okay, so let's have a little recap. Yesterday we learnt Helen dwi'n darllen Western Mail, dwi'n gwylio Netflix, a dwi'n gweithio. At the moment, dwi'n gweithio yn y cartre. I'm working at home. So today, we're going to look at asking questions. Now then, in Welsh and Gymraeg, we have two forms of saying you. This, of course, is very common in many other languages and used to be in English as well, when we had thou. Thou has long gone. But in Gymraeg, we still have ti and chi. Ti is the informal, friendly, singular. Chi is the more polite and plural form. And today, we're going to concentrate on the ti form, the nice, friendly one. Okay, let's get started. So, we know that to say dwi'n gwylio, I'm watching, dwi'n gwylio. To ask the question and simply say, are you watching? Do you watch? We take out the dwi and we put in wyt ti. Wyt ti? Say it out loud after me. Wyt ti? Wyt ti? Wyt ti? Wyt ti? Do you? Are you? So, to say, do you watch? Or are you watching? And you obviously are now. We say, wyt ti'n gwylio? Wyt ti'n gwylio? Wyt ti'n gwylio? Try it after me. Wyt ti'n gwylio? Wyt ti'n gwylio? Wyt ti'n gwylio? So now you can fit in some programs. I'll give you the program, you ask me the question. Joe Wicks. Wyt ti'n gwylio Joe Wicks? Obviously not. Da iawn. Coronation Street. Wyt ti'n gwylio Coronation Street? Strictly. Wyt ti'n gwylio Strictly? And this is where I completely lose the plot. Ask myself a question and answer it. Okay, so, Helen, wyt ti'n gwylio Joe Wicks? Ydw. Wyt ti'n gwylio Coronation Street? Ydw. Wyt ti'n gwylio Strictly? Ydw. So, yes. Ydw. Just say it. Ydw. You can see that do is still there, all about me. But we put in front. Ydw. Yeah. Ydw. Ydw. I'm going to ask you a question. Just answer me ydw, whether it's true or not. Wyt ti'n gwylio pobl y cwm? Ydw. Da iawn. Okay, I'll ask myself the questions again. Helen, wyt ti'n gwylio Joe Wicks? Nac ydw. Wyt ti'n gwylio Strictly? Nac ydw. Wyt ti'n gwylio pobl y cwm? Nac ydw. So it's the same ydw, but with nac in front of it. Nac ydw. Try it. Nac ydw. Eto, and again, nac ydw. So, ydw, nac ydw. This time, you answer my questions truthfully. Wyt ti'n gwylio Joe Wicks? Ydw, nac ydw. Wyt ti'n gwylio Question Time? Ydw, nac ydw. Wyt ti'n gwylio Question of Sport? Ydw, nac ydw. Wyt ti'n gwylio Hollyoaks? Ydw, nac ydw. If you've got children in the house and they're watching S4C, you can ask them whether they're watching their favourite programme again. Wyt ti'n gwylio Peppa? If we want to make sure they're watching teledu Cymraeg, Welsh television, we can ask, wyt ti'n gwylio Cyw? Da iawn. So, wyt ti'n gwylio? So, it's very easy to say, are you reading? Do you read? You try it. Wyt ti'n darllen? Ask me whether I read the Western Mail. Wyt ti'n darllen the Western Mail? Ydw. Daily Mirror. Wyt ti'n darllen y Daily Mirror? Nac ydw. Guardian. Wyt ti'n darllen The Guardian? Ydw, dwi'n darllen The Guardian ar-lein, online. Dwi'n darllen The Guardian ar-lein. And finally, ask me, do I work? Wyt ti'n gweithio? Ydw, dwi'n gweithio. Dwi'n gweithio yn y cartre, in the house, in the home, at the moment. So, let's learn some new vocab for today. This is probably something not many of us are doing much of at the moment. Gyrru. Gyrru is to drive. Gyrru. It's like curry with a G. Gyrru. So, you can ask me, do I drive? Wyt ti'n gyrru? Ydw. Dwi'n gyrru cosa. Sorry, dwi'n gyrru cosa. Dŵr. Ask me, do I drive a Fiesta? Wyt ti'n gyrru Fiesta? Nac ydw. Dwi'n gyrru cosa. Ask me, do I drive a Jag? Wyt ti'n gyrru Jag? Nac ydw. Dwi'n gyrru cosa. Answer my questions. Wyt ti'n gyrru Jag? Ydw, nac ydw. Wyt ti'n gyrru lori? Ydw, nac ydw. Wyt ti'n gyrru bws? Ydw, nac ydw. Wyt ti'n gyrru car? Ydw, nac ydw. Do you drive? Wyt ti'n gyrru? So, gyrru, first new word for today. Second new word, probably know it, dysgu. Dysgu is to teach or to learn. So I can say, dwi'n dysgu Cymraeg, I teach Welsh. You can say, loud and proud, dwi'n dysgu Cymraeg, I'm learning Welsh. So ask me, are you learning Welsh? Wyt ti'n dysgu Cymraeg? Wyt ti'n gyrru? Wyt ti'n dysgu Cymraeg? Say it again. Wyt ti'n dysgu Cymraeg? Wyt ti'n dysgu Cymraeg? One more time. Wyt ti'n dysgu Cymraeg? Another new word for today is iawn. Now, iawn is handy because it means okay. So if I say, wyt ti'n iawn? Are you okay? Wyt ti'n iawn? Iawn. Ask me 3 times, am I okay? Wyt ti'n iawn? Wyt ti'n iawn? Wyt ti'n iawn? Ydw. Dwi'n iawn. Dwi'n iawn. So the main thing for today is wyt ti. Are you? Do you? Wyt ti'n gweithio? Wyt ti'n dysgu Cymraeg? Wyt ti'n gyrru? But we've also learned ydw a nac ydw. Tomorrow we'll build on all of this. But what about today's challenge? Today's challenge is to think of as many questions as you possibly can, starting with wyt ti'n. Also, remember to have a look at our free resources online, www.dysgucymraeg.cymru, www.learnwelsh.cymru. But yesterday I had to say the address in Saesneg in English. Today we've said it in Gymraeg. www.ddechreuwyr.cymru. Look at the free taster courses, but also go in to our entry course, Unit 1. You can revise the alphabet and the numbers, but take a look at the vocabulary and you'll find today's vocabulary in there. Just listen to me introduce myself. Helen dwi. Dwi'n darllen The Western Mail. Dwi'n gwylio Netflix. Dwi'n gyrru cosa. Wyt ti'n gyrru cosa? Hwyl! Gwelech chi fory. See you tomorrow. Hwyl!